Welcome to this week's edition of The Gun Doctor. Ruger recently posted a photo on Facebook of the company's first production Marlin lever-action rifle made at its plant in North Carolina. Christopher Killoy, Ruger's CEO and president, said they were keeping their promise that the first Marlin model off the assembly line would be the stainless big loop variant of the model 1895. The photo of Ruger employees showing off the new rifle was posted on Facebook last Thursday with this comment: "The moment you've been waiting for is finally here. We are proud to share with you the very first production-built Marlin Model 1895. Congratulations to the entire Marlin team in our Bayonne, North Carolina facility on this major milestone. Stay tuned for the official release of these production rifles later this year." Ruger purchased the 150-year-old Marlin brand and assets in its entirety for $30 million at a federal bankruptcy auction from Remington Outdoors last October, and they've spent the last several months moving equipment and parts from Big Green's old plant in Huntsville, Alabama, and elsewhere to Bayonne to start production. The Marlin 1895 was introduced in 1972 as a variant of the company's Model 336 and 444, chambered initially in 4570 Government. Ruger's President Killoy said the next gun out will more than likely be the Model 336 in 3030 and later the Model 1894 in 357 and 44 Magnum. In other gun news, Henry Repeating Arms announced they would be adding over 100 new jobs. Henry, based in Wisconsin, recently expanded on the company's 13.5-acre Ladysmith Wisconsin site. The new building is an 84,000-square-foot facility, bringing Henry's total footprint to over 350,000 square feet. The new facility will be used to machine parts for the company's lineup of more than 200 models of rifles and shotguns. Henry was established in 1997 by the Imperato family in Brooklyn and later moved to Bayonne, New Jersey, and eventually found their way to a more gun-friendly Wisconsin. Henry's motto is "Made in America" or "Not Made at All," and their firearms come with a lifetime guarantee. Henry currently employs over 600 people. And you'll find friendly employees eager to help you with your next gun at Smokin' Gun Works. Smokin' Gun Works buy, sell, or trade, shoot, shop, or train. You can do it all at Smokin' Gun Works. Smokin' Gun Works, 8785 North Baileyville Road, Foreston, Illinois. For The Gun Doctor, I'm Tim Bivens.